Hello, periods 1, 2, and 3. Today we're going to continue working with the distributive property. These notes, you will want to write these down on a sheet of paper or in Notability or in your spiral notebook if you have it. You will not find these in Canvas, okay? So these are notes that we're just taking in our notebook today. So pull up Notability, a blank sheet, or if you have a sheet of paper around, go ahead and you're gonna write these down instead of pulling them up on Canvas, okay? So pause the video, go find something to write with, and then unpause. Starting with numbers 1 through 3, this is doing the distributive property like we did on the previous day, nothing new. So distributive property means that we're going to multiply the number on the outside times everything on the inside, okay? A number next to a parentheses means multiply. So we're gonna do 7 times x, which gives us 7x, and 7 times 3, which gives us 21, okay? Anything that's not inside the parentheses, just bring it straight down. Now we're going to combine our like terms, okay? So I have a 7x here and a plus 4x here. 7x plus 4x is 11x. And then I have 21 and it's minus 8. So 21 minus 8 is 13, and it would be a positive 13. So our answer is 11x plus 13. Okay, go ahead and write down number 2 and then unpause. 10 times x gives us 10x. 10 times 15 is 150. And bring down everything else that is not inside the parentheses, and then you can combine your like terms. I have 10x. This says minus 2x, so really 10x minus 2x is 8x, and 150 plus 4 is 154. And then this last one, go ahead and write it down and unpause. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times y is 7y. Bring down everything else that is not inside parentheses and combine like terms. So 7y plus 3y is 10y. And 63 minus 10 is a positive 53. Okay, so that part was review from the previous day of notes. What's going to be new today is what if there's no variable? Remember, a variable is a letter. Okay. So if you go ahead and look at numbers 4, 5, and 6, there's no letters. There's no A's or X's or Y's, okay? So instead of just traditionally doing 8 times 54, doing traditional math, we're going to use the distributive property, okay? So go ahead and write down those 3 problems and then unpause. And then starting with number 4, 8 times 54, we're gonna start with 8, and then we're going to break down 54 into a base 10. So base 10, think of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, a base 10 number, okay, counting by tens. So 54 can be broken up into 50 plus 4. Okay, and then we're going to do it the same way. 8 times 5 is 40, so 8 times 50 is 400. 8 times 4 is 32. So 400 plus 32 is 432. Okay. Number 5, we're going to leave that 3 alone and then break up 41 into a base 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that would be 40 and 1 would make our 41. and then distribute. 3 times 4 is 12, so 3 times 40 is 120. 3 times 1 is 3, so 120 plus 3 is 123. And if you were to do 41 times 3 traditionally, you would get 123, so you could check it if you wanted to. On a test, I would definitely check it. And then number 6 is a little bit differently because it has both numbers are 2-digit numbers. So you could really do this either way. You could do 23 on the outside and then do 10 and 2 on the inside, or do 12 on the outside and then break down 23 into 20 and 3. It does not matter. Okay. 12 times 2 is 24. So 12 times 20 would be 240. And then 12 times 3 is 36. Add them together to get 276. Okay, so that would be what is new today, that if there are no variables. Okay, in Canvas, there is a link now to the practice worksheet that we're going to do in class, and I've already attached it to this. You'll need to go into Canvas and download Distributive Property Practice Take 2. It's worksheet 16. It looks like this. 1 through 5 is exactly what we've already done. That was the first part of the notes. And then if you slide down to the second page, there are 4 that we just practiced if there was no variables. Okay, so this would be 7 times 40 plus 8, and now go and distribute and find the answer. Okay, so you need to work on worksheet 16 now that you've had those notes. Okay, and feel free to go back over